In this video, you will learn how you can upload stories and photos to Instagram with you losing quality. It happens that sometimes we take a screenshot of photograph and then with uploading them to Instagram they lose quality. So we are going to go to our Pro Life, select on Instagram and Pro Life, and then to the upper right corner we are going to look settings and privacy. We are to slide until data usage and media quality. Here we press the gray to blue button and to maintain the high quality of video and photograph. And that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to tell us what you thought of it. Leave it us a like.